In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view and open iCloud Drive files on your iPhone or iPad. A quick and simple process that you'll have down in just a few minutes. Whether you're looking to streamline your workflow or simply access some files on the go, these steps will guide you through the process effortlessly. First, let's make sure that iCloud Drive is enabled on your device. The iCloud Drive function is essential because it allows your files to be synced and accessible across all of your Apple devices. To start, go to the Settings app on your iPhone or iPad. Once you've opened Settings, tap on your name at the top of the screen. This takes you to your Apple ID settings. From there, proceed to tap on iCloud. As you scroll, you'll eventually find the option for iCloud Drive. Ensure that the toggle is set to On. This activation is key to ensuring that all your files are stored and accessible via iCloud Drive. With iCloud Drive switched on, our next step is to launch the Files app. This app comes pre-installed on your iPhone or iPad, so there's no need to download anything. Locate the Files app icon on your home screen, or simply search for it if it's tucked away in a folder. Once you're in the app, check that you're in the Browse tab, which you can access by tapping Browse at the bottom if you're not already in that view. This will show you a comprehensive list of file locations. Now look for iCloud Drive under the Locations section. Tap on it to open your iCloud Drive folder. If by any chance you don't see iCloud Drive listed, don't panic. Simply tap on the three dots icon, which you'll spot at the top right of your screen, and select Edit. Here you can enable iCloud Drive by toggling it on in the list of available locations. Once you're viewing your iCloud Drive, you can browse through your folders. Tapping on any file will open it, allowing you to preview documents, PDFs, images, videos, and much more. The Files app gives you a seamless interface where you have the flexibility to interact with your files. If you need to make any changes like renaming, deleting, or even moving files, these adjustments will automatically sync across all Apple devices that are signed in with the same Apple ID. This is a fantastic way to ensure that your documents are up to date, no matter which device you're using. And that's it! You've now learned how to access your iCloud Drive files on your iPhone or iPad with ease. Feel free to explore the app and manage your files as needed. It's all about making the most of the technology at your fingertips. Thank you for watching, and happy organizing.